Hey guys, I got a package today from cutlerylover and I'm very excited to open it for you. So, here we go. They super glue these closed pretty much because it's an international package. Okay. No. I don't know how to open this. Jesus. Well, United Postal Services, you are definitely good at keeping things locked down, I gotta say. Good job on the glue, guys. Oh. Okay, so here we go. Lovely tissue paper. What is this? Oh, it's a Zippo. This I won on cutlerylover's Zippo contest. And there she is. Thank you so much, cutlerylover. Jeff, I really appreciate this. Keep up the good work with the videos. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.